Hey, so it's Monday and we are on week 4 paragraph. Okay. So, one thing I noticed with our writing last week is that some of you were not quite following the prompt. So, I just want to point out here this is your prompt, and I wrote it in our daily Google Doc as well. Do you prefer summer, winter, spring, or fall? That is your prompt. So here in your topic sentence, you and some of you last week I noticed were not including a topic sentence. It says topic sentence right here. You are just giving a very quick and easy sentence that says what you're writing about. So let's say that winter is your favorite. You could say, I prefer uh, the season of winter, or winter is my favorite season. That is going to tell me exactly what you're going to be writing about. So if you love fall, say fall is my favorite season of them all. You can even rhyme. But you need to have a topic sentence. The idea is you're saying what your favorite season is. Okay, what are you going to write about? You're going to write about what your favorite season is. Okay, that's going to go here. So please make sure that you put a topic sentence. Then it says, tell me your favorite season and tell me four reasons why it's so wonderful. So there's a reason 1, there's a reason 2, there's a reason 3, there's a reason 4. And do not put me to sleep with it's neat and it's fun and it's pretty and it's cute. Okay? Don't just say spring is fun. You need to tell me why. Okay? So you're telling who, what, when, where, or why. You need to have examples or a description, a really good description as to why it's your favorite. Okay, you're gonna be kind of trying to convince me that it's the best season. Okay, so if you say spring is fun, spring is the best, spring is warm, spring is cool, that I've already fallen asleep. So please make sure you have good supporting sentences saying why it's so wonderful. Then you have your closing sentence. Okay, you are restating what you set up here. Okay, you're saying the same thing, you're just closing your story. Tell us the big idea in a new way. And if you're like, I don't know what that means, well, what did you write about? If you said fall is my favorite season, you could be like, fall is the best season of them all. I just use that sentence again. But what I'm saying is, you're saying the same thing twice. Please make sure that you have those. Your punctuation power for this week says, did you know that the names of the seasons are not usually capitalized? Okay, they are only capitalized when used in a title or at the beginning of a sentence or are used in a proper noun. In your assignment this week, I used the example of if you say, the Salt Lake City Winter Olympics, okay, then you capitalize winter because it's part of a proper noun. It's part of a specific Olympics, okay? Other than that, we don't capitalize it. So your punctuation power for the week is to put a star above any season that you're writing about and you don't capitalize it because you are not supposed to. So if it is capitalized, it's a capitalization error because it is not supposed to be capitalized. Unless it's if you start your sentence with the word summer, then yes, capitalize it. Okay, so you are going to do page 1 of your idea, your topic, your closing sentence, and the 4 supporting ideas. This normally takes us about 12 to 15 minutes, okay? It may not take you as long. It may take you a few more minutes, and that's okay, but I would say about 15 minutes just to come up with these reasons. Then today you also will be doing page 2, where you're going to give it a title. You are the author, and you're just going to put in sentence number 1 your topic sentence. This is number 1. Okay, sentence number 2, 3, 4, and 5 are your 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, they're your supporting sentences. Then your sentence number 6 is your closing sentence. Okay, this should not take you very long. You are not editing today. You're not doing any of that. Okay, I gave you fewer things to do in Wonders so that you would have a little more time to do this. Okay, so you are going to do page 1. It should take about 15 minutes. Page 2 should probably take about 10 minutes. So all in all, about 25 minutes total, and you are done with writing for today. All right? Excellent. Don't forget, you are saying which season you prefer. And don't just write spring. Okay, I need sentences. Now, if it's just, now here it says topic sentence. This does not have to be perfect, but I need complete sentences. Okay? Okay, get going.